Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Merry Xmas to you all in advance. So make a homemade mayonnaise with me. So for today's recipe, I'm going to be using only 2 raw eggs, lemon juice, olive oil and salt. So I'm going to go ahead to add my whole egg in my bowl, and I'll go ahead to add some olive oil and also some lemon juice to it. You can use only the egg yolk, but for I'm going to be using a whole egg for this recipe. After adding, I'm going to go ahead to use my whisk to start mixing. So after mixing for some time, I'll go ahead to add more of my olive oil and also my lemon juice. Then after that, I'm going to go ahead to continue mixing. Guys, I almost forgot to add my salt. I'll go ahead to add my salt now. After that, I'll continue to whisk my egg mix. After some time, I'm going to go ahead to add again some olive oil and also my lemon juice. After that, I'll keep mixing. And please guys, don't forget to show me some love by sending me super thanks or super sticker. And also do remember to join my YouTube membership to see all my exclusive videos and also become part of this amazing family and other benefits that comes with it. So as you can see now, my mayonnaise is becoming thick now. I'm going to continue mixing until I get the consistency that I want. And guys, you can also use your food processor if you have one at home to make your mayonnaise. And for those of you who doesn't have a food processor, you can use this process. It's very easy and fast. And also you can as well use vinegar instead of lemon. So as you can see now, I've already achieved the consistency that I want. I'm going to go ahead to scoop my mayonnaise into my plate. And guys, I can assure you that after watching this my full video on how to make a homemade mayonnaise, you say bye bye to buying a mayonnaise from the store. And this recipe is very healthy and delicious. So I'm going to enjoy my mayonnaise with some fresh bread or even a salad. Please guys, tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across this my amazing channel, do like and share this video also. See you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.